Their agents operated in every major financial hub, from Hong Kong to Zurich, ensuring that no market escaped their reach. By orchestrating loans to governments and corporations, they created a system where nations were perpetually indebted, forced to align with Rothschild interests to maintain economic survival. This global financial architecture was not merely a business, it was a calculated strategy to bind the world's economies to their will, their red shield, a silent overseer of global commerce.